Hi, I'm Jordan Palmer, a registered clinical trichologist with Rewind Hair Loss Clinic. Conventional wisdom might tell you that hair loss is just another part of aging, but recent advancements in science and technology offer new solutions to hair loss that can help you restore your confidence. One of those is Folix, the first FDA-cleared device for complete hair restoration. Folix works by reawakening dormant hair follicles with collagen synthesis. The non-invasive technique has no downtime, and most patients only need 4 to 8 treatments spanned 3 to 4 weeks apart typically. Be careful with post-treatment, PRP or ointments. As the American Hair Loss Association has noted, many of them do not work. We recommend post-treatment with our Rewind 6 hair serum. That's a 6-week treatment of the world's highest concentration of exosomes and growth factors to optimize your results. If you'd like to learn more or you're interested in a free consultation, give us a call or check us out online.